Hey guys, so a few weeks back at SGC, Samsung showcased a brand new clamshell like form factor which they are planning to launch next year. Now a major leak coming in from China, this is your hands-on look at the brand new Galaxy Fold 2. This looks like a compact Galaxy Fold with a phone-like design, or you can say Motorola Razr 2019 with Galaxy Note 10 front. This is awesome for sure. So on front, when closed, there's a small cover display which can be used to show important information like notifications, calls and time. You see there's a dual camera setup with LED flash, and I hope the secondary is a wide angle lens. The bottom is having USB-C port and speaker grills. There's no headphone jack. Now the magic happens when you unfold it. This is a 6.7 inches display, really slim. It's having rounded corners with same size top and bottom chain. We are also having a center punch hole selfie shooter so that you guys can take selfies. And overall this looks really impressive. This is from Samsung with amazing new design. Of course this is the future and Samsung may showcase it with the Galaxy S11 and the S11 Plus. Now in terms of the specifications, according to Max from XDA, the Fold 2 features Snapdragon 865 flagship CPU. It is having dual batteries, just like the Motorola Razr, one for the cover display and second for main screen. He say one battery is 900 mAh and I think that is for the front small display. He also say it is having 25 watts charging speed, which is great. So yeah, this is your Samsung Galaxy Fold 2 pocketable clamshell device which can turn into a candy bar smartphone. The pricing will of course go beyond $1,000. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section about this design, this new form factor. So Huawei is launching the P40 and P40 Pro. The shocking design comes to the later, which is having the curved display on all four sides. You heard it right, display that curves on all four sides. This is something new, something fragile. Huawei knows that and they have added metal frame on the corners which can save glass shatter from corners, but it is not durable overall. It is getting all the flagship level specifications like Kirin 990 silicon 5G, 5500 mAh battery with 50 watts fast charging support. There is also 120Hz display and 64 megapixel Sony camera. However, in the end the software may not feature Google services, so all this is nothing outside China. That's all guys, thanks so much for watching. Like, subscribe and turn on the notifications. Meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.